subscriber, welcome back to my channel. Before we head into today's video, guys, I want to say Happy New Year to each and everyone. Guys, we made it through 2020 into 2021, so we have a lot to give thanks for, guys. And you know the routine. If you are new to my channel, hit the subscribe button, turn on the post notification bell, so when I upload a content, you'll be the first to receive the content. In today's video, guys, I'm gonna do a pudding, which is a sweet potato pudding, guys, and I really love sweet potato pudding. Sweet potato pudding is one of my favorite, so I'm gonna walk you through the step how I do my sweet potato pudding. So I'm gonna show you the potato, which is the yellow belly sweet potato, the coconut. So I'm gonna grate them and show you guys before me start do the mixture together how I do my pudding. For the sweet potato pudding, so I use 1 pound of sweet potato, and this is the yellow belly sweet potato, which is the better sweet potato to make the pudding. So now I go grate the potato now and then show you guys. So for the sweet potato pudding, this is the coconut that I just grated, and this is the sweet potato itself, and this is half stick of butter, and I'm using some cinnamon water. So I boil the cinnamon into the water with the stick, and I have my fruit wine, my vanilla, nutmeg, cinnamon powder, and I'm using some rose water, and I'm using some all-purpose flour. I'm going to mix in the flour with the sweet potato together. So guys, so I'm mixing in the flour, right? So guys, I have the cinnamon water with the butter and the sugar, so I'm using 3 serving spoons of sugar in it. So I'm sweetening the cinnamon water and tasting it just to ensure that it is sweet to my taste. So I'm gonna use nutmeg, which is 1 nutmeg, some cinnamon powder, and I'm using the wine, which is the fruit wine, and it's 1 small glass of fruit wine, and some vanilla, like 2 tablespoons of vanilla. So we're mixing everything together. So I'm gonna add just a little bit of rose water in it, just to add some more flavor. And it's also half stick of butter I'm using, so it's stick butter. And this is the mixture now, so which is the sweet potato pudding mixture. So guys, I'm catching the fire, as you can see. So I'm rubbing in the butter into the pot, because the pot, now when you rub the butter in the pot, it will help for the pudding not stick in the pot. So the pudding will have moisture down at the bottom. So this is the sweet potato pudding mixture in the pot now. So I'm just waiting on the coal to catch up. So I'm going to separate the coal. I'm going to put some of the coal on the tin sheet, which is a piece of zinc, to go on top of the pot. Guys, you see that? The pudding that set off and away now. So we have the coal on the pot, the top. So I just scatter the coal, because I don't want the coal for the one side. Cause if you cool the one side, then the pudding are gonna burn in the top and it start bake. So we have to scatter the coal all over on the tinning and just the same with the coal under the pot. So we scatter it. We don't really need too much coal under the bottom and on the top as well. So guys, I'm still checking on the potato pudding. So I just scatter out the fire more on the tinning because I don't really want the potato pudding to start burn. So I show you the pudding now. So it's coming to perfection, guys. So I go cover it back now and take it time and go and bake. And this is a Caribbean vibes we have baking the sweet potato pudding. Guys, I can't wait for the sweet potato pudding done because sweet potato is one of my favorite pudding. So I put back the fire on here now and then I go on. So guys, next time I show you about the video, probably the sweet potato pudding done bake. So I'm just showing you step by step how me make my sweet potato pudding. Guys, so I check on the sweet potato pudding here now. I put on the fire. So I go use the knife and stick in a mixer now to check it. See that it come on good. Yeah man, so I just need to soak a little bit more, and that way I make it do. So we have less fire under the bottom of the pot and less fire on the top of the zinc. So I go cover it back now with the zinc and make it take in time and dry. The middle just want to dry a little bit more. So that I do. Just put it back. I am checking on the sweet potato pudding once more. So we are giving the sweet potato pudding about 10 more minutes because you just need to steam a little bit more because in the middle it's still a little bit wet, so we just need it to dry out a little bit more. So I'm gonna put back the zinc, which is the metal sheeting, over it with the fire and just monitor it somewhere, and it is coming on pretty good. So the pudding done, guys. So I'm gonna take it off now and then cut a slice out of this wonderful pudding. Guys, drop it in the comment section if you like sweet potato pudding, because I'm a huge fan of sweet potato pudding. So just drop it in the comment section. So this is the sweet potato pudding, guys, and if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel for more awesome content.